Okay. This is the GoDaddy like your main page where you're at after you make your account. So just go right here into account settings, and what you're going to scroll down to is delegate access. And what you're going to do is from here there's two options. There's accounts I can access, and then there's people who can access my account. I just made this account for this example. So if you're going to add my business account, you just go to people who can access my account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to put Roger Cruz and then Roger at rogercruzmarketing.com. Um, what you want to allow access for, it all depends on what kind of project we're going to do. Domains only is for people who manage domains primarily. Not saying that I don't do that work, but I don't normally do that. We're probably going to be doing more like a website. But if you do need help with this, this would work. This is the lowest form of access. Domains and products will then allow me to be able to go in and use the products that you have. So like if we're building a website together, this would make a lot of sense. And if we're at the very beginning of the relationship and we haven't actually um, done everything that we would need to do, like let's say for instance if we're building a website and we need to get hosting and a domain and everything, this way I can help you purchase your hosting plan unless you want to just go ahead and do it yourself, and I can guide you through it. But this would be the highest form of access, and for most projects I'm probably going to recommend this form of access because that way I can buy things on your behalf if you're not sure what to buy. And GoDaddy is relatively large company, and if for any reason I accidentally purchased something that you didn't want, we could always return it with GoDaddy. So I don't think you really have any risk in this. So we're going to go ahead and use the products, domains, and purchase. And then from there, just let me know that you have gotten it to this step, and I will make sure that I check my email and uh, get this going before it wears out. I think it's like 48 hours is the window I have. So if you want to let me know right away, just in case I'm away from my computer, maybe can't check my email on my phone or whatever, because I am in front of a computer and I just sent it to myself. I went ahead and accepted this. And sorry for the wait there, but now I've confirmed it. And as you can see, once I confirm it, it'll say that I have it and what access level, and you can always edit that information right here in the future as well. So if in the beginning we're making some purchases and then later on we need to move it down, that would make a lot of sense. Now you know how everything is set up, and once again, now let's say you're here in GoDaddy and you're like, man, how do I get to that page? You can go to my products. and then click account settings and go down to delegate access. And then once again, here on the right side, you can invite people to help with managing the account. And it's called delegate access. So all underneath here as well, I'll put some information from GoDaddy on this from their website, so you can also read that information over. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can text me at 407-558-2789, 407-558-2789, or you can reach me also directly at my cell phone, 407-255-9654, 407-255-9654. Both numbers have call capability and text capability as well. Thanks. Bye.